Hey everyone, this is the instructional video for the activity number 2 and the activity number 3. Alright, putting it down. This is going to be on your AMCO book work. Now, you don't actually need specifically the AMCO book for this activity. However, if you have the book, do it there. Now, this is going to be taking place in pages 24 and 25 of your AMCO book. Okay? Again, once you see the pages, you don't actually need it, but it would be nice to put it there. This is both the pages 25, 24. Right? So what you're going to do here is using the first activity, the ones that you have to put the other two ways to say the same meaning of the word. Now, using that activity, the first thing you're going to do for activity number 2 is using the new forms of the words, you will place them on page 24. Okay? Along with their Spanish translation. So that's activity number 2, is to put, for example, like I said, if you say that the word was scared and the other two forms to say scared is afraid or intimidated or petrified or horrified, for example, you can put here, you're going to put, for example, horrified, afraid. And then here, you will put the Spanish translations of both of them. Do not put the other form of the words. Don't write down the 8 words that I already sent to you. Just put the new forms with their Spanish translation on page 24. That counts as activity number 2. Activity number 3 will be done on page 25. Using one of those two, you are going to make a sentence for each of those words. So you're going to have 8 sentences because you're going only to select one of those two. So continuing with the example of scared, and you put horrified and you put afraid. So let's say I'm going to grab afraid of those two and place it right here in a sentence. I was afraid to go outside because of the big dog waiting for me. So there you go. Now, that's one example. Afraid is not one of the words in the word list, so make sure to put the ones that you found. Kids, that's activity number 3. Activity number 2 is to what? Just put the words right here with their Spanish translation.